Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace of Goodness Gracious. And this is my garage! Every spring, Kevin and I take on one big project around the house, and this year it's the garage. There is a lot to do around here. There's moss growing on the roof. There's holes in the garage door covered up with duct tape. The inside of the garage looks like an abandoned building. You can actually see where the previous owners hung their pictures. On the side wall here, you can see where they played with their pellet gun. And on the roof, you can see where the old wood-burning stove used to be. Don't forget to subscribe because there's going to be a whole series on the garage. And let's jump in. I'm already overwhelmed.
I know. You just have to pick away at it. Outside of it. That kind of action.
Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack.
Hey, it's Butt Nugget.
scraps. I paid money for a bag of scraps. I can walk through the whole garage. I can touch every wall. But I shouldn't, because they're gross. Don't look at that wall. That wall's for next week. I hope that was as satisfying for you as it was for me. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting my tiny little channel. Don't forget to subscribe because there is so many videos coming up about this garage and you don't want to miss out on any of them. Or maybe you do, I don't know. And hit the little bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you guys next week or the week after. Bye.